For the openers, Sehwag and Ganguly are in the centre. Oh, it's gone through, knocked him over. It's the in-cutter again. Mashrafe Bin Mortaza is delighted. He knows it's a big one. And the Bangladesh supporters also go up. It's been disappointing yet again for Virendra Sehwag.
If you're out of form, you've got to look to play straight. It must be in your mind. No matter if you're strong wide, but it's too close. It comes in, bottom edge. It's not the shot, it's not the time, and India lose their first wicket. A big breakthrough for Bangladesh.
Sehwag gone for 2, India 6 for 1. Well, big wicket. Virendra Sehwag gone.
And Sehwag really, it's too full and too close. Cramped for room. Generally, if you think straight, the square shots take care of themselves.
Just got the feeling Virendra Sehwag's weight was on the front leg. He was looking to go forward. Let's take a look at the footwork again. And then changes his mind into playing the square cut. Initial thing was good support for Bangladesh as well. Huge fan following at home. Good to see some of them travel around here. Always feels a lot more better. Set back.